Hi, in the second video, I would like to teach you how to install and start using the script. If you open the CD disk attached with the dissertation, you can find the following content. However, it's still up to change. Firstly, I recommend you to familiarize yourself with Chapter 2 of User Manual. Chapter 2 requirements mentions an important information that you shouldn't be worried about meeting system requirements, as ImageJ or Fiji is a cross-platform computer application and it should run on the most popular systems like Windows, Mac or Linux. Now you may skip subchapter 2.2 because these requirements you can meet by following the steps mentioned in chapter 3 installation. The first step is to install ImageJ or Fiji distribution from the official website. Personally, I recommend to install Fiji because it's an improved version of ImageJ. If you open this hyperlink, you should have the following view. Here, make sure to download the correct version for your system and follow the on-screen instructions after opening the installation file. Here I will skip the process of installation because I want to make this video as brief as possible. So in my case, Fiji is already installed. The second step says to follow points 2 to 5 of previous subchapter 2.2. These points mention to install 2 plugins and activating 2 toolboxes. Firstly, you want to install nearest neighbor distance plugin. If you open the website, you should have the following view, where you can download the file by clicking here and then following the installation process. However, if the website is not working or you have no internet connection, you can find the file in the required plugins folder. It's NND class. Just copy it and go into Fiji directory after installation and paste it into plugins Analyser directory. You should have something like that. Then the graph plugin. You can also download it from this website, but if it's not working, it's in the same folder. Then copy the file graph.jar and go into the plugins folder of ImageJ directory and paste it somewhere here. In my case, it's already there. Then the next 2 steps is about activating 2 toolboxes, which you can find after installation here, bar and biovoxel toolbox. But firstly, to install them, go into help, then click update and wait a second, let ImageJ or Fiji to find if you run the most up-to-date version. In my case, I'm running it, so I'm clicking OK. Then you want to click manage update sites, and here make sure to give a check mark next to bar toolbox and biovoxel. Then if you have everything like in my case, just click close and click to apply changes. Then you want to click cancel, restart ImageJ by clicking this button, then opening ImageJ or Fiji again. And from this point, we can move to point 3. Find the micrograph analysis folder on my CD disk. It's right there. Just copy the entire folder and go into Fiji directory, go into macros and paste it here. So you should have it like that. The micrograph analysis folder basically consists of all the scripts that will help you to analyze the micrographs automatically. Now, to simplify running the script, you want to click plugins, go into install and locate the micrograph analysis IGM file, which firstly you should find it in the Fiji directory, macros, micrograph analysis. Double clicking that will ask you where do you want to save it. So I recommend you to save it in the plugins folder and then macros. As you see, it's already installed, it's right there, but in your case remember to click save, and from this point again please restart image.j, and from now on if you want to start using it, just click plugins, macros, and it should be right there. If you click it, it starts running. Okay, in the next tutorial I will teach you how to use the script. Cheers!